How to turn off or on save passwords on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on save passwords on Chrome mobile. First thing I'm going to do is go to Chrome and then click this 3 points here, and now click settings, and now click this one, passwords, and then all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn off save passwords. And as you see, save passwords has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and that's how many save passwords on Google Chrome. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.